Yeah.
So let's see. Oh, we started. Hello, everyone. Vincent Aiello here from the Fighter Pilot Podcast. I am in Gig Harbor, Washington State, with my very good friend, Julio Galvan, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. And he has invited me into his home. And what are we going to talk about today, dude?
We're going to talk about the C-2 Greyhound, the
The
mighty.
C-2 Greyhound. In fact, we have a picture of it over our shoulder here. And J-Lo and I were at the same command together on our last assignments. You retired a little bit before I did, and you retired as an 04.
Yeah.
And you are going to tell us all about this arguably unglamorous, unsexy, but very vital aircraft, right?
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. Excellent. All right. Well, why don't we roll tape, and we'll come back and check in with everybody afterwards. What do you say?
See you later.
Okay. Well, J-Lo, that was an awesome discussion. Thank you very much. I think we were on the clock for over an hour, and this was the plane, right?
Yeah, this is it. She's
All right.
In the eye of the beholder. She's the most beautiful thing out there.
Every mother thinks her son and daughter is the most beautiful, but I agree. I mean, again, when I saw it coming and I knew it had mail and packages, that was a good thing. But why don't we point out a couple things that we mentioned in the audio now that we have video?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, pilot, co-pilot.
Right.
This is a Lot 4 aircraft, so 8-bladed prop there. And so this is an HF antenna here.
All right.
4 vertical stabs. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So rudders
And one of them
3,
didn't-
and 4.
Okay.
Those are rudders. This one right here is strictly for cosmetic use only. It's
All
not a
right.
rudder. And you
Okay.
can actually see the paint design on there. So there's
Yeah.
a rudder there, rudder there, rudder there. That's actually, again, for design only.
Okay.
They didn't want it to look weird.
All right. And then you talked.
Weirder.
And then you talked in our discussion about these wings that kind of turn and fold, and eventually will be like from here to here.
That's exactly right. So there's a line right there where the wing will go like this,
All right.
and it actually folds up like that.
All right. Okay. And then, of course, we have the tail door, or whatever you would call it.
Ramp.
Okay. Thank you. And that is where cargo and people can load on and off. Now, you guys, we didn't really talk about this in the discussion, but the pilots will get on. Is there a different door you'll get on?
There is. This is called the MEH, the main entrance hatch.
Okay.
Right there.
All right. Excellent. Well, it is a great aircraft. As you can see, the similarities with the E2 Hawkeye, and we talked all about that on the presentation. So I don't know exactly when this episode will air, but a very important aircraft for sure. And I'm glad you came on the show to tell us all about it, dude.
Thanks. Grumman Ironworks.
Grumman Iron Works. And you told us you have about 2,000 hours in this thing?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
And a handful of deployments and detachments and everything else. And this is normally the time where I thank you and present you with a sticker or a magnet, but being in the middle of an airline rotation, I didn't think ahead and forgot it. But I will mail one to you if that's all right.
Yeah, well, koozies to you.
All right, well, koozies to me, and
Yeah.
thanks very much, and we'll see you next time, buddy.
Thanks for coming up.
All right, you're welcome. Cheers.